Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be doing this little soft glam look, perfect for the holidays. I've been starting to not really do my intros like this and just starting without my makeup, but I totally forgot to do that. So here we are. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe before you watch. I didn't do my base, so we're gonna do that now. First, I'm going to put on this Hourglass primer. Put that all over. Looks like I have sunscreen on. Next, I'm going to be putting on this Marc Jacobs Dew Drops. Alright, now I'm going to take this Revolution foundation in F6 and this Tarte concealer in light neutral. I'm going to put those two on. So I'm actually going to be putting on this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, but you don't have to do this. I mean, if you like eyeshadow primers, this is pretty cool, but I think concealer works just as well. But I've had this for a fat minute, and I really want to use it up because I don't want to throw it away. I'm not that type of person to just like throw away good makeup. So I'm just going to put this on my lids and blend that out, but you don't have to do this. Okay, so now I'm going to throw on some translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm also going to put on some bronzer. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Oh, by the way, you can probably tell that I wear this gray shirt a lot. This is like my bedtime shirt, and it's early as fuck, so. Today I'm going to be using this Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think I'm going to go for a really holiday kind of look. I'm going to go ahead and go do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. I had to improvise. I had to use a powder shadow. So they're looking a little like purpley red. I'm going to use this color right here, Incense, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to put this shade Summer, this gold shade right here. I'm going to put that, using my finger, apply that onto my lid. Holy mother of God. Dude, that is gorgeous. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Passion. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. And I'm not going to bring it into the crease, just the outer corner. So I'm going to take this shade Dreamer and put that on the inner corner and the brow bone. Now I'm going to put both this brown shade that we used earlier and also this deeper shade that we used. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. I'm going to put on this Benefit Sunny Golden Pink blush. I don't know why I always forget what this is called. Put some on my nose. I'm also going to put on this highlighter. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. Oh my god. Like, bitch, you can't go wrong with this. I'm going to apply this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is damn near almost done. I'm going to go put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I am done and I'm obsessed with this look. I love the soft glam looks, the ones that are really, really easy. But I'm gonna put this red liquid lipstick on and I'm gonna be done. So, yeah. Okay, well, as you can see, my background doesn't have any more lights. It's because I realized that half of the lights don't even work. I just put on this liquid lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics. This is in Mary Jo K. This is like the perfect red lip. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Okay, next I'm gonna... Hello? What's going on? What's going on? It's supposed to... That was weird. I think my lashes might be a little fucked up, but you know what? So is my life.